Good afternoon, children. I am your Sangeeta ma'am. Today I am going to take the concept of construction of quadrilaterals, exercise 10.1, question number 3, option number D. A quadrilateral IJKL in which JK is 6 cm, KL is 5 cm and IL is 5 cm, K is 90 degree, L is 115 degree. So here they are given 3 sides and 2 angles. So what is the angle K and L? So we will take the base side will be 5 cm KL. So first we will do the rough sketch. Okay. See, this is 115 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. So, L, K, 90 degree, 5 centimeter, 115 degree. I, JKL. JK is 6 centimeter. Okay, IL is 5 centimeter. Okay, LK is 5 centimeter. That means KL. K is 90 degree. L is 115 degree. KJ is 6 centimeter. IL is 5 centimeter. This is your rough sketch. Now move on to the fair copy. First, we take KL. Okay. So, KL, draw 5 centimeter. KL. KL, sorry for the disturbance. KL, 5 centimeter. So, K is given. Now take, to find out the angle, now take the compass. Okay. Take one arc, protractor arc. Okay. So, from this intersection, first cut 60 degree, 120 degree. The bisector of 60 degree and 120 degree. This will give you 90 degree. Okay, this will give you 90 degree. So, draw one arc using 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. So 90 degree is now over. Then find out the, okay, now then find out the L is 115 degree. So again you take the same compass, cut, very sorry. My compass is not working properly. Okay, so you have to keep here the needle, cut one arc, again needle, cut another arc. Okay, so from 90 to 120 only 115 will come. So first find out okay, 90 first find it out. Okay, after that 90 to 120, this is 120, this is 60. So 90 to 120, 90 to 120, what angle will come? 105, the 90 and 120. See, the bisector of bisector of 90 and 120 will be, see, measure also. See, this angle will be 110 degree. Okay, this angle will be 110 degree. We need 115 degree. Okay, we need 115 degree. So from this arc, first you draw, okay, this is 110 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 110 degree. After the 110 degree, again from 120 it will cut you. Okay, again the one, okay, so this will give you one intersection point. So you draw this intersection point and join together one ray. So this ray will be 110 to 120, 115. This ray will be 115 ray. So now you mark up to this angle is 115 degree. First you draw 90, then bisector of 90 and 120 is 110, then bisector of 110 and 120, it will give you 115. Okay, after this 115 you have sides. Okay, JK, KL is over, JK and IL is there. So KL, okay, IJKL, IJKL. So IL is 5 centimeter. So measure this 5 centimeter. Keep IL is there, na? So just cut one arc. So this intersection point will be I. So this intersection point will be I. Okay, then JK is 6 centimeter. Measure 6 centimeter. Keep the needle in K. Cut one arc. This intersection will give you J. That means this is 6 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. ILS. Now you join J and IJ, you have to join together. Okay, so now KL is 5 centimeter, KJ is 6 centimeter, IL is 5 centimeter. Just first find out 90 degree and then find out 115 degree. First you find out 90 degree. I will show you the compass value also. See, 90 degree, this is 110 degree. Okay, 110 degree, this is a 105 degree. Sorry, I written wrong. Bisector of 90 and 120 is 105 degree. Then bisector of 105 and 120 is 115 degree. So it will give you 115 degree. Okay, see again 90 degree, 110 degree, 115 degree. 90 degree, 110 degree, 115 degree. So first find 90 degree, Then 90 and 120 find 105 degree. 105 and 120 find 115 degree. Clear, children? Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like my video, please press the like button and press the subscribe button also. Thank you.